Hi, my name's Trevor Conway. I wanted to talk to you about this little cable that I found called a Birdcord USB to 9-volt converter. It's from a company called Songbird FX, and in theory it allows you to power your guitar pedals from one of these power banks that you get for powering and recharging your iPads and iPhones when you're away from a power source. So I have a Boss GT100, which is a fairly big guitar floor pedal. It requires 600 milliamps. The cable can support up to 850 milliamps, and it's wired up correctly for Boss. So I thought I'd give it a shot, and this is the results, just to let you see that it does in fact work. I plug that into there, into the power bank. And I'll take this down just so you can see this is the Boss GT100. Sit there, and I'll plug that in there and switch on, and you can see she does begin to power up, and we're at 97% here. It started at 100. I've used it for about half an hour, so it's went down to the 3% there. And just to give you an example, I'll play you a little tune from it's the iPad here as a backing track, and here we go, just to prove that it does work.